Welcome to all. Today we discuss iodolactonization reaction. So in case iodolactonization reaction, here the first step is attack on electrophilic center on iodine and then the iodonium ion form. So after formation of the iodonium ion, it can cyclizes and the product is formed. So what is the concept of iodonium ion and the lactonization step we also discuss in our discussion. So please watch this video, it's very important. But first we discuss the in presence electrophilic attack of iodine to form iodonium ion which cyclizes to form the iodolactone. So we give one example now. So now in presence iodine and sodium bicarbonate, here the iodinium ion forms. So the mechanism is in presence iodine, here the lone pair is present, it can be here, and then the electrophilic center is possible here and it can cyclizes and one iodine leave. So here we can now just draw the product. Here two methyl group is present. So here I plus iodonium ion is formed. So after formation of this iodonium ion in presence sodium bicarbonate, here O minus is formed. This O minus is also attack on that center. So this iodine is open. This bond is break here. Now we draw the structure. Now here the formation of product is this. So at first step is formation of this one is called iodonium ion and this one iodolactone. So we can easily say that electrophilic attack of iodine to form the iodonium ion which cyclizes to the iodolactone. So this step is cyclization step. Now we draw our next example. The problem is here, discuss the key step, the iodolactonization product. At first the formation of the iodonium ion. So we can easily draw here the iodonium ion product. So now at first we draw iodonium product, then this R is trans, so it can downside, but other one this bond is downside, this bond is so upside. So this bond is bold because this substrate is trans product, trans starting material. So this bond is upside and then O minus is formed in present sodium bicarbonate. It acts as a mild base, so it abstract of this hydrogen. So this ketone is here and this bond is upward side, this R is downside because this one is trans configuration is here. Now it can easily attack on that center and this bond is break and the plus charge is neutralized through breaking the bond. Now formation of product is then O and iodine, this bond, and iodine is present here and with attach of the R is downside. So this one is bold side. So this product is formed. So which is similar to the product of that product, which is similar of that product. So this one is product. So we can easily say that product and solve the problem. So stereo is depend through attach at which position attack on double bond. When it one make cis bond, if it attach then two up and this two bond is up or down, but here this configuration is trans. So we also maintain here and here this one we also called E configuration, E. One of the important problem is here in presence iodine H2O and formation of the product, but here one thing is very important. In that case this bond is cis direction, cis. Here this bond. So when we follow here, these two double bond is not trans orientation, so the formation of product only two bond is up. So how to discuss, we also discuss how to form the product. First step, in presence iodine water, formation of iodonium ion, we also discuss how to form the iodonium ion. Yeah, this one is form iodonium ion, and this bond COOH is present on that position, CO minus, and or this iodine, this here is downside, and the structure is also possible from upside of iodine. It can be possible. Here two possibility is present here. So our CO2 group is here. So we consider on this downside. So after formation of this iodinium ion, this minus charge is attack on that center. So this bond is break. We can easily say this bond is break. So after bond breaking, and this attack is possible through upward side of the plane. So the formation of product here, when we draw the structure, this bond is up because at the starting point this bond is upside. So here the O is present, and this bond is when break, the I is present here. So we can easily discuss the stereochemistry of the product with stereochemistry. This one is iodo-lactonization, this bond is up and this bond is up, this two bond is bold. So this one our product. Now discuss the mechanism of the product. Our starting material is here. So in presence, at first sodium bicarbonate, our double bond is here, base abstraction of hydrogen is possible here, C double bond O, and O minus is formed here. So then our next step, in presence iodine water, so for attack on that electrophilic attack is possible here. So now the iodonium step is, we also draw the iodonium step. So this one is downside plus, and then C double bond O minus is formed here, and then this one is trans configuration. So this methyl is upward position is present here, this methyl, but then after formation of this cyclic product, and here one methyl is present, so this minus charge is attack on that center, on that center, but attack on that where the carbocation after attack it can cyclizes, the stability is very important. So here possibility on that center, so this one is break. Now formation of product, we can easily say that this double bond is here, O is here, and the methyl is here, this methyl is upside, and here the methyl is upside and the iodine is downside. That is the main stereo product. Stereo is very important. Now we discuss the stereo. In presence NaHCO3 bicarbonate, OCO minus form, in presence iodine. So here methyl is upward side, so iodine is attack on that center. So this one is from transformat, so this one is down iodine in presence. If iodine is present upward side, then two methyl group remains on the downside, but here iodine is downside, so methyl is upward side. So after formation of this iodonium ion, this minus charge attack on that center, this bond is break. So now formation of product is here. The question is which product is possible. So in presence DBN and second step is MCPBA. So now we discuss here in presence DBA, at first step that 1O and this two bond is upward side, So one O is present, one down bond is present. So in presence DBN, at first abstract on that hydrogen, base abstraction on that hydrogen. So this hydrogen gives the double bond and iodine remove on that system. So now the double bond is formed. So in presence DBN, this double bond form. And second step, when we use MCPBA reagent, the very interesting case here, the epoxide is formed. MCPBA is a epoxide formation reagent. So MCPBA, in presence MCPBA, O and the down bond is, this one is our main product with stereo. Our next problem is very important. Here one double bond is present and here one conjugated diene is present, 1,4 system is present. But here iodolactonization possible only this single bond. This one is not occur because this bond is shifted and this one is open. So in that case, here the electrophilic attack is not possible because this bond is shifted through resonance conjugation. So here only on that position iodolactonization possible. So now we can easily draw the iodolactonization product. We know that at first step formation of the iodonium ion is formed on the first step. This bond is down and O. So after formation of this iodonium ion, then in presence base NaCO3, this O minus is formed, hydrogen abstraction occur. So this one is attack on that center and this bond is break and formation of product is this O on that center. So now our iodine is removed and formation of product, this double bond intact same, this double bond intact same, and on that side iodine is present. So this bond and breaking on that bond and formation of iodine is here present, and this stereo is downside because this bond is present on the downside. So the attack is possible below the plane. So below the plane, so here this bond is down and formation of product is this. But very interesting thing is here in presence DBU is a base. So base we also discuss abstract hydrogen. So in presence base, this hydrogen abstraction possible. So this bond is gives double bond and iodine is removed on that system. So the product is double bond is formed here, O and this joining and O is present here and this double bond is intact same. This one is our product in presence DBU, bicarbonate and iodine. All step we also mention. But very important thing, when we use MCPBA, we also discuss MCPBA reagent. So in presence MCPBA, on that position epoxide form. So at which side epoxide form? So here we also draw the structure with the formation of epoxide. So why not form epoxide here? Because here conjugation present. This double bond is not fixed here. As a reason, epoxide is not present on that side. So this one is product MCPBA product. So in presence MCPBA form the product. In presence DBU, hydrogen abstraction possible. In presence bicarbonate, only this acidic hydrogen removed because bicarbonate is a very less base.